Okay, we're coming down right here just to let you know, okay? This ought to be great. Woo! He handled that great. Good boy. You're doing good on your hill work. Yeah. Easy. Now you want to run, don't you? Yeah, I know you want to run. Yeah. I'm just turning around waiting for her. Okay. This is an old fruit cellar right here. See where he's looking? He's looking off to our right. He's looking at the old fruit cellar right here. Cassie?
I'm gonna die if they still have that voice activated thing in there.
Yeah, I don't think they do. I think they took it down. Now Chuck is like, I want to go.